Hi everyone. Welcome back to our 365 days Canva design challenge, and today is our day number 5. So, thank you for always coming back. I hope that you find value every single day whenever we post tutorial on the group, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, or wherever you may find this videos. So, today our chosen topic will be about logos. So, now that you have your brand, you have your covers, you now know how to post, create posts and posters. Now, I would like to complete your brand kit, which is um, the logo that you will have. So let me hop into my screen and let me discuss that a little further, okay? So let me share my screen. Okay. So now you can see my screen. So I can't even believe that we're on our day 5 already. It's the days pass by really quick. Um Maybe one day we don't even know that the whole 365 days is already over. And guys, all of these videos will be useful for you. All you have to do is just join the group and go back to these videos. Okay? So um why is logo very important to your brand? So, for me, as a business student before who took marketing as well as a subject, um, I believe this is one of the things that our teachers in business schools taught us about how important logo is. So, on my own words, this is the three main reasons why your logo is important. Okay, one, it represents your brand in the most simplified way. Like, even by just seeing a check mark, you already know that's Nike, right? So, uh, makes people have this retention in their minds that uh, once they see your logo, they already know who you are as a brand. Okay. Number two, it is the reason why your market remember you easily. So they might be like they might be not in your daily day-to-day basis, but when they see your logo, it's like uh, they already know you. Okay. Um, they remember you just because they keep seeing you every single day. Like when they pass by, just like my example earlier, Nike. Maybe you can see Nike in the gym, you can see Nike somewhere in the market, someone walking in the mall wearing Nike shoes. So it is the reason why they remember you easily. Okay, just because also when your logo is everywhere, it becomes part of their routine and it becomes part of their subconscious mind already. So number three, why didn't even I didn't even finish this. Okay, okay. It gives out a sense of authority and credibility for me. Whenever someone has like a prepared logo, it gives me a sense that he or she is serious about his business because not everyone really have a logo. They just want to have business. But when they do have a logo, for me, I have this impression that um, they really take marketing to the next level and that they are professional about it. So those are the three things. That's why this topic will be on day 5. Okay. So I have six um, samples here of logo uh, that it just came to mind. So there are 6 types of logo. I know there are a lot more, but these are the most common. So one is the monograms or the letter type of logo. It could be like Netflix, it could be like HBO, IBM. So those are monograms type of logo. Next is gonna be abstract or symbol. So you can see this for a lot of brands. Just like I said, Nike with a check mark. Um, Sometimes there is a company that is represented by a phoenix. So it can be in a form of symbolism uh, that supports the story of the company and what they are presenting to their market. Okay. Number three types is gonna be the mascots. Okay. Just like Jollibee. Okay, the fast foods usually use these ones. Number four is a combination of letter and symbol. So there are there are types of logo that has they already have like a symbol. But aside from that, they would still include their company names as part of the logo. So it's like a combination type. So emblem is like a stamp type of post. Those badges. They look like badge. That's why I called it emblem. So you can see these types for like Starbucks, for example. So number six, which is the most one of my most favorite is the signature type of logo because this is for me the most clean one, the signature type, and then it is more personalized. So let's hop on to the next part, which is gonna be the live editing of the logo. So I don't really have an idea in mind right now. So we're just gonna go with the flow with it. So we're just gonna go with the flow of how this tutorial would be. So let's say for example, I'm gonna do a signature logo. So let's say um, creative. So maybe so everywhere I go, I use the Gverse creative. That's gonna be G for girly and verse for the first four letters of uh my surname. Surname. How do you say that? Anyways. Okay, so for example, it could be as simple as this. So it can be like this, creative, and then I would add three words. Okay. Um, if you go here on Canva, there's a lot of fonts that are like that looks like a signature. But for me, you usually use Amsterdam font. So maybe we can check what looks good. There are a lot of spaces. This one's good. This one as well. So mhm. There. Okay. My logo is already done. It's like a signature type of logo. Okay, another one is maybe we could create something that is symbolism with symbolism. I don't really have um maybe for let's say for example, I like the I like the phoenix sign just because of its story and personality. So if I may have a logo that has symbolism in it. That would be a phoenix. Okay. Let's say I chose this one. There. And then I could add my, let's change the, maybe let's change this to classic design. So let me go ahead and so why is it, it has underline? Okay, so let's make it classic. Mm, Cardo. Okay, so I think that looks good already. Okay, then maybe we can, there, look at that logo. So that looks good already, right? Another one would be, sometimes I like having my initials to the design. So maybe like we can create a GC, since it's gonna be Gverse Creative. Okay. Or maybe GB. And looks good. There. G. Let's see. How about these? GB. Okay. And then let's like add some twist to this. Let's say I'm gonna add a line design. I'm pretty simple person, so if I would have a logo, it's not super complicated. It would be as simple as this, like a signature type of logo. So let's say I'm gonna make this part of the letter G. Okay. Now it looks like it. Okay, maybe let's change this color to this one. Oh, or maybe no. Okay, maybe let's add this here. Mm, Now that's a logo. It's quite luxurious, right? So GD, that's gonna be my initials. So what other logo? So maybe if you have a company like for me, Givers, let's think of a sample. It's gonna be super, super digitals. Didn't even think about the name, right? Okay, super digitals. So let's say, for example, this is an agency. Okay, so you can also like make the emblem effect. It looks like a stamp. So let's say, let's borrow something here on Canva because I know there are suggestions here. So let's say your logo can be this one, and then like you're gonna add, or maybe this one. This looks cool, right? And then you're just gonna add your agency name. Maybe we can find the circular type. Okay, it's not there. Okay, let's make it Bebas. Beb. Okay. And then maybe we can try to make it curve. So it'd be like this. The only thing about this type of uh, elements in Canva, it's not editable. So unlike if you have a monocolor, can be changed here. So you can like change the color. Unlike the others, you can change them. So usually these are the types of logo, and these are just some ideas. It's not the final idea for your logos, but if you could start conceptualizing them in Canva, can create your first logo. You find this video really helpful, and that after this, you may create your own logo. So, see you tomorrow on our day number 6.